Looking for a smart storage solution? Check this out. The vertical pull-out tray is a game changer, you guys. It not only maximizes the space under your workbench, but it keeps everything within easy reach. This is an adaptable storage solution that's perfect for tape, tools, gloves, and more. Plus, its flexible design lets you customize it to suit your needs. All right, let's get into the build process now. First thing we got to do is figure out the dimensions of what we need. So we're going to look at this total spacing here. I'm going to run it. We got a total of 25.5, but I'm going to do that a little bit shorter because I won't need that full space. So we're going to create some ports to go onto those. So I've got here some leftover lumber, and this one in the case was 24.5, which we needed a little over 25, but I was going to shorten it anyway. So this is perfect as far as that's concerned. So I'm just going to run with this. Sometimes your dimensions are established by the leftovers that you have. So before we get that installed, let's go ahead and mark a couple of things. There's two things I want to do. One, I want to do myself a favor and mark the line at which we're going to be doing the drawer slide on. So I'm going to do that exactly at 1 inch. So this next line is going to represent where the support will be on the established support down low, and that's going to actually be at 2.5. So I'm going to take my Polini pocket rule. These things are phenomenal, by the way. And again, this line is representing where that support's going to come on it. This will be the drawer slide. So let's go and get that drawer slide installed. We're going to utilize the self-centering. All right. All done. Let's go and get that installed. So I'm just going to line up that line as I've got on this side as well as the opposite side. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut out the main body. So let's do, you know what, let's take a shortcut. Let's use some magical dust. Just like that. Okay, if only it worked that way. So as you can see, this is nothing more than 3/4 inch plywood, the main body of it. And for the shelves, all you have to do is do kind of a butt joint, and you can see on the back here where I created a line and then just screw directly into that. On the ones where I felt like it was going to be a little bit more weight, you could see I just took a triangular cut off. All you got to do is, for me, I knew I wanted an upper shelf. The lip is something I'm going to actually color at one of my other projects. And then you can see here to make kind of a glove. So I did the exact dimension of the boxes that I get. Those can slide right in, right? The two different sizes, two different thicknesses, if you will. So those are in there, so that way with the lips catch it when you go to pull it out. And then down low, I just created another shelf with some sides to it so they don't fall out. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that, but let's go ahead and get this installed. As I've already got the back parts of the drawer slides in, let's put it in and see how it turned out. So after exploring the vertical tray system, you might be thinking it's not all that different than the horizontal trays that are traditional to woodworking as well. But there is a distant relation to both of these trays that you may not recognize completely. Say hello to the internal tray mechanism that's meant for your drawer. If you loved organizing your cubby, then you're going to absolutely love this tray sliding system that maximizes the space inside of your drawer. If you don't know what this is, you want to watch a video, go ahead and check out this link above and check it out.